This video guitar lesson is how to play the major scale on the guitar. The major scale is 7 notes played in a specific order. The specific pattern or order of the major scale is 2 whole steps, 1 half step, 3 whole steps, 1 half step. On the guitar, a whole step is 2 frets. A half step is 1 fret. So for example, if I'm playing a G note and I want to go up a half step, I go 1 fret. If I want to go up a whole step, it's 2 frets, so 1, 2. The name of the major scale is whatever note you start on, the first note. So if you start on E, it's E major scale, as long as you follow the specific pattern of the major scale. If you start on G, it's a G major scale. If you start on F sharp, it's a F sharp major scale, etc. So here is how to play the E major scale on the guitar. And it's easier to see if I play it on just one string. So I'm going to use the low E string, and let's follow the pattern. So starting with the open E string, that's the first note. The next note is I need to go up a whole step or 2 frets. So 1, 2. So the second fret, that's F sharp. Next I need to go up another whole step or 2 frets, so 1, 2. That's G sharp on the 4th fret. Next I need to go up a half step, so it's just 1 fret. So the 5th fret, that's the note A. Then I need to go up a whole step. Right here, that's the 7th fret, it's the note B. I need to go up another whole step, so that's the 9th fret, or the note C sharp. Then I need to go up another full step, 2 frets, so that's the 11th fret, or the note D sharp. Then I need to go up a half step, which is 1 fret, the 12th fret, or the note E. So that helps to visually explain the major scale. If that was helpful for you, please let me know in the comments. But of course we wouldn't always play the major scale that way. We'd want to play on different strings. So here's how you do that. So again, with the E major scale, I start on E, go up 2 frets, I go up another 2 frets, and then I need to go up 1 fret. So I could play the 5th fret, or I could play the A string open. It's the same note. Then I need to go up 2 frets. So the A string is played open. So 2 frets would bring me to the 2nd fret of the A string. Then I need to go up another 2 frets. So that would bring me to the 4th fret. Then I need to go up another 2 frets. So that would put me on the 6th fret here. Or I could play the 1st fret of the D string. It's the same note. So if I play it here, I need to go up 1 fret, and that leaves me here. So there's so many ways to play the major scale. All you have to do is follow the pattern. And I was using my first finger just to make it easier to see what I'm doing. But of course you would play with the most appropriate fingers, so and you don't have to stop here on this note. You could keep playing the scale higher and higher, like this. Now let's play the major scale in a different key. So it's the same order or formula or pattern, we just start on a different note. So in this case we'll start on the note A, and so this is how to play the A major scale on the guitar. So we can start on any note on the guitar as long as it's A. So how about we start here on the 7th fret of the D string, and then we just follow the pattern. So I'll just use my first finger so it's easier to see. Now I'll play it again using more fingers. I'm also playing with just down strokes on my pick, so just this motion going down, but I can get a lot more speed if I go down, up, down, up, down, up, which is called alternate picking. So that's a great exercise to increase speed in playing guitar. Now let's change the key again to the key of C. We'll play the C major scale and we'll use all 6 strings on the guitar. And once you know the major scale, you don't have to play the notes in order when you're writing a song or playing a solo. You can play it in any order you want as long as you stick to those notes and as long as it sounds good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please let me know in the comments. Write any comment at all. I would love to hear from you. I read all the comments. I reply to all of them. And thank you for subscribing, liking the video, sharing it with other guitar players. I really appreciate you doing that. I appreciate you. And if you'd like to watch more of my videos, just search Guitar Increase. My name is Brett. Thank you very much.